So I have 2 part-time job now and meron pa tayong isang side hustle, ang aming online selling, which is tribella.co. Please follow our Facebook page. Hello fam! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone. Welcome back to our channel. This is Mami Donna from Alba Fam. So today is a good day, another week. Medyo hindi tayo maaga ngayon. Time check is 5 AM. Hindi pa daw medyo maaga yan. Kasi usually, diba, 3 AM tayo and I'm wearing a different uniform. So, I will tell you in a while. So, magpe-prepare muna tayo ng kids baon ngayon. Kasi usually, before I go to work, which is always morning, diba? Nagpe-prepare muna ako ng baon ng mga bata. So, si Lian, lunch lang yung pinapabaon ko. Kasi they have snacks sa school nila. Morning and afternoon snacks. So, included yun dun sa daycare. And for Kuya Davo naman, since half day lang siya sa kinder, snacks lang ang pinapadala ko for now. So, prepare lang ako ng lunch for Lian and snacks for Kuya Davo. Dun sa dating daycare ni Lian, kasama lahat, pati lunch. Mag-brew muna tayo ng coffee kasi nagdadala ako sa work ng kape na like black coffee every morning kasi kaysa bumili tayo lagi sa Teams. Usually bumibili ako sa Teams or 7-Eleven sa airport, but then black coffee lang din naman iniinom ko in the morning, so sayang din. So let's do coffee muna. We use this McCafe. Favorito ni Lawrence. So, i-brew lang natin. Yan. This is our coffee maker. Mabilis lang din naman siyang mag-brew. Siguro mga 5 minutes okay na siya. I prepared kanin. Siyempre, very Asian. Rice and ulam for Lianica. Kasi para heavy ang lunch niya. Diba? Very Asian tayo. For sure. Pag nasa elementary na din ang Kuya Dave. Kanin din talaga. Para at least heavy. Heavy ang food nila always sa school. Kasi iba okay na sa sandwich, ganyan. As far as I know, iba ganyan lang. Today is a brand new day. We will start a new chapter na naman. Nako. Ang dami ko pong ganap sa buhay. That's why I'm wearing a new uniform. Actually, hindi ito yung uniform. Pero, since I'm starting a new job in a new company, nasa training mode pa ako. So, wala pa yung uniform ko. Ayan, and ready na ang snacks and lunch ni Lian. Ang arte ko, may puso pa talaga ako. Iba-iba talagang shape yung ginagawa ko para ma-encourage si Lian siguro kumain, but ang arte ko lang. And then the chicken, I just air fried today. And ito lang snacks ni Kuya kasi mabilis lang din naman yung day niya today. So, there you go. Kuya snack. And Lianica's lunch. Ayan. Then, lalagay ko na lang sa backpack nila. Ayan, and my coffee is done. So, may tumbler talaga ako for my coffee. This is Starbucks tumbler na binili namin sa Seattle. One of my favorite tumbler. Yan. Pike Place sa Seattle. Yung original Starbucks coffee shop kung saan nag-start ang Starbucks. At dahil sa kwarto natutulog ang mga bata, magkakatabi pa rin kami, syempre. In-enjoy namin ang snuggling with the kids kahit sikip na kami sa kama. So dito na ako nag-aayos sa baba, lalo na pag early morning ako. Andito na yung mga makeup ko para hindi na ako umaakyat baba pag gantong time na kailangan ko nang pumasok. Mag-aayos lang ako and then samahan niyo ako for today's video. And we're ready to go. I always bring my water bottle. Of course, my coffee. Lagi sa work. Kasi mahilig tayo sa tubig at sa kape. Ayan. And let's go down. So, naka-off ako sa WestJet. Nag-trade ako ng mga shift para dito sa bago nating trabaho. Training nga. So, mga 2 weeks na training to para ma-familiarize ako sa bagong system na nalalearn ko ngayon. Papainit lang tayo ng konti. Warm up ng sasakyan. And then we're ready to go. So usually in the morning, pinaprepare ko ng food ng kids. Okay na din yung mga damit nila. So pagising nila ni Daddy, magbe-breakfast na lang sila and bibihisan ni Daddy. And they are ready to go to school. Para hindi masyadong hassle din. And of course, medyo saktuhan ang gising nila Daddy. So ayokong nagra-rush sila. So breakfast lang and bihis ang kanilang ginagawa. Yan. So, exciting day again. New learnings and new job. Nakuha ko tong trabaho na to just because gusto ko lang itry again and bumalik dito sa trabaho na to. It's just happened na natanggap tayo. I am so thankful and blessed and grateful kasi nakabalik ako dito sa industry na to. So medyo maliwanag na, hindi ako sanay actually mag-drive papasok ng maliwanag kasi 'di ba? 2:30 AM nasa road na ako. Kasi 3 usually ang pasok ko. Pero ngayon, medyo late ang start kasi training nga ako. 6:45 ang start ko ng training. So 8 hours siya. So hanggang 3:15 tayo for today. Actually, this is my 3rd day na siguro. 3rd day of my training and there's a lot more to learn. It's a new job and a new job description as well. Wala tayong background talaga dito sa bago kong trabaho. Pero super inaay ko na siya back then pa. Nung kabataan pa ako. When I was in my OJT pa in Singapore. But then sa ibang department nga tayo napapunta nung OJT natin. At least now, tinry ko mag-apply and natanggap naman ako. So, additional skills and additional knowledge and experience na naman sa akin. Lalong-lalo na sa industry ko. Hospitality industry. So, exciting to. The past 2 days na nagtitraining ako, ang daming information, but then masaya naman ako kasi ang dami ko din na-learn. Bagong learnings. Mas convenient sa akin and familiar na tayo within the airport. So, let's see. And andito na tayo sa parking. Bam! So, dito pa rin ako nagpa-park sa green lot namin. Kung saan ako nagpa-park pag napasok ako sa WestJet. So, airport din ang bago nating trabaho. It's just a different department and different company. So, excited ako kasi it's a new people, new company, and new everything. So, update ko kayo later. Hello fam! So, tapos na ang araw ko. Hindi na ako tuloy na video kanina kasi pagka-park ko this morning, hinabol ko na naman yung shuttle and hindi na tayo nakapag-video. Papasok ng work kasi medyo mahigpit na ang security now here in the airport because of the G7 this June 15 to 18. Sobrang higpit. You cannot take photos, videos, and you should always wear your rake. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina. Hindi na ako napag-video pagka baba ko ng shuttle. Nag-snip lang ako ng video. This is a part-time job ulit. So, I have 2 part-time job now. And meron pa tayong isang side hustle. Ang aming online selling, which is tribella.co. Please follow our Facebook page. Updated yung mga ibebenta namin. Keep you posted sa live selling namin. Going back to my second part-time job, which is I'm so excited in. I'm working in a hotel, which is na-miss ko rin. Iba yung vibe when you're working in a hotel in an airline. This one again, nakapasok tayo sa hotel, which is I'm so blessed and thankful kasi I just applied na parang sige, they do part-time because sabi nung mga ibang agent, most of them is full-time. Sobrang rare lang mag-hire ng part-time dito sa hotel na to. So I'm the lucky one perhaps. And parang 3 lang ata kaming part-time. Iba-ibang department pa. So, yeah. And to reveal kung saan na tayo nag-work is just here. So we're working in Marriott Hotel in Terminal Airport. O, diba? Combo-combo na tayo ng hospitality management dito. Siguro mga next time, magta-travel agency na rin ako kasi hindi ko pa yun talaga natatry. Anyway, so just to share to you, another blessing to our family and to me as well. Good opportunity comes once in a while, so just grab it, right? Flexible ang oras na naman natin, so I can just give them my availability kung saan ako pwedeng mag-work as a part-time para hindi pa rin ako mawawala ng time with my kids and with my family. Yun naman talaga ang priority natin. I want to be with my kids, of course with my husband, and yun naman ang priority natin. Aanhin natin yung work natin if hindi para sa pamilya natin, right? So we still work. Of course, as a mom, we want to have a flexibility na magka-time tayo sa pamilya natin, especially sa kids. Maliliit pa kasi talaga yung kids ko, 3 years old and 5, so they really need to have more time to spend playing, going out, outdoor, indoor play. Syempre iba pa rin yung tayo yung hands-on sa kanila, diba? So ayun lang, I just want to share a good news, and thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and also here in our Facebook page, it's Alba Fambam as well. Ingat po tayong lahat. So see you in our next video. Hang loose!